Hey guys, so me and Jason are just here for a quick little update. We're literally just sitting on the floor. Today is Jason's birthday. How old are you?
I'm 24.
24!
Yeah. Yeah, again.
Again!
9 times in a row.
Oh my goodness!
That's crazy.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
9 times you've been 24.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's awesome. Anyway, we're just sitting on the floor. The boy's over here chewing on a package. I'm just getting his bath ready and we're just kind of relaxing. But I wanted to let you guys know that Euan's hearing test that was scheduled for April 11th was rescheduled till May 9th. And yeah, I just needed to let you guys know that because I've been getting people asking, how did the appointment go and whatnot. It has been rescheduled. I did let people know who have liked my Facebook page what was going on. So if you haven't liked my Facebook page, you should go over and like that. It's facebook.com/YT Turtle Ames for YouTube Turtle Ames. Anyways, I'll leave a link below if you haven't liked that page. But anyways, that's what's going on. Not till May 9th, so just thought I'd let you know. We're disappointed.
Yeah.
Super
Yeah, because
disappointed.
I won't be here. I was supposed to fly in from work the day of, so I was supposed to fly in and go right to the hospital. But I'll be away for this time.
Yeah, so that really sucks. So my parents will come with me, so we won't be there by ourselves. And I think your sister will probably.
Yeah, my sister lives in the city, so she'll be there.
Yeah, so we won't be
Pop
there
over.
alone, but we still wish that Daddy could be there. But
Yeah.
anyways, that's what's going on. Been delayed till May 9th, but I will keep you guys updated and let you know how it goes after it actually happens. So, yeah, that's it for the update. Say happy birthday to Jason in the comments. And that's all for now, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
See ya.